What is it?
Cookies and cream Santa.
Fatty. Hashtag fat kids.
Oh, hashtag amazing. These are like, I love these things.
Those are really good.
We'll have some morning. We'll have some fun. Kind of stay up though tonight. I know you're probably tired. So
No, I'll stay up.
Because I get off at 10. I usually get home around 11:30.
Don't go to the gym.
Why?
You can skip it today.
Are you sure?
You can skip it today.
Sister, but
Positive.
they're gonna be closed tomorrow.
Nope, you can skip it today.
Why?
Because we can do Tabata here.
I don't do ciabatta. I only do ciabatta. That's Facebook my status. That's Facebook status. I don't do ciabatta. I eat ciabatta. We need to put that as a Facebook status. That's seriously a Facebook status.
I know.
Oh, please tell me that's some cologne.
Some cologne.
Yeah, bro needs some cologne.
You should have told Mom when she was asking. I think she even considered getting a cologne.
Shit, I should have got some cologne for bro. What is this? Oh,
What is that?
Raider earphones.
That's cute. I like how themed she is. She puts thought into gifts.
I know. It's tight. I like them. It's dope. I like definitely. Because I usually lose earphones a lot.
Yeah, me too.
Soap.
What is it?
Soap. You shouldn't have. I just had a feeling I was going to open up a present for Mom and say that, though. Oh, Mom, you really shouldn't have.
What is that? Oh my god, that's great.
Oh, God damn it. You want one? I'm going to open them right now.
They're actually pretty good.
No, Mom is too funny. You call her and tell her, like, we have a this present and just start laughing.
Okay, don't open those now. Get to your box. Don't do the cards yet. Just do the box.
Who's this from?
Mom. You can do the cards later.
Oh my god.
Do the card later.
Huh?
Do the card later. Open that.
I'm so excited right now, sister.
Open it. Go. Slide it. Pull it open like a drawer. Like a drawer. She got MacGyver up in this. Keep going.
Oh my god. Sister, you have no idea how excited I am now. Oh my god.
Tell Mom hi. I'm videotaping.
Madre!
Oh god. He's happy.
Ooh, baby. Kill him.
I was gonna say, ooh, kill him.
Ooh, kill him. Shit. About to get me some ladies in these shoes. Mm-hmm.
Okay.